of Krishnam Public Senior Secondary School. Now today's topic is preposition. In previous video we already read preposition, and in this video we again read preposition. Preposition is a word that made two words. That made by two words. Pre plus position. Pre plus position. Pre means पहले and position means जगह. It means किसी जगह से पहले आने वाले शब्द को preposition बोलते हैं. अगर हम definition देखें तो preposition is a word that show relationship with between noun or pronoun. Preposition is a word that show relationship between noun or pronoun. Preposition comes before noun or pronoun. I write here definition. Definition. Preposition is a word. Preposition is a word. Is a word that shows relationship between noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. It comes before noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. Definition. What is the definition of preposition? Preposition is a word that show relationship between noun or pronoun. A word that show relationship between noun or pronoun. Okay. Now I am writing here an example. I am in the class. I am in the class. I is a subject and pronoun. I is a subject and pronoun. Okay. In is a preposition. In is a preposition. And the class is a noun. It means object or other part of the sentence. Okay. I am in the class. I is a pronoun or subject. Am is a verb. In is a preposition. And the class is a noun. It means object or other parts of a sentence. Now, pronoun. I write here a word that shows relationship between noun or pronoun. This is a pronoun and this is a noun. It means preposition show the relation between noun or pronoun. It means a word that show relationship between noun or pronoun. So pronoun and noun show the relation between noun or pronoun. It means in is preposition or in show the relation between noun or pronoun. Okay. In previous video we already learned two topics. Now we start topic number 3. Use of under. Uses of preposition. Okay. Now third number is use of under. Use of under. First is in the sense of presence of something, presence of something below the surface, below the surface or level of another thing, level of another thing. Use of under. We use under in the sense of presence of something below the surface or level of another thing. Okay? Now example, the dog went under the table. The dog went under the table. In the sentence, the preposition is under. Under is a preposition, and when we use preposition of under in the sense of presence of something below the surface or level, of another thing. So dog is the under the table. Okay. Now second topic is use of under. It is when something is inside the water. When something is inside the water, we use under. Example, the pencil is under the water. The pencil is under the water. In the sentence, the preposition is under, and we use under when something is inside the water. So pencil is under the water. So pencil is in the water, so we use here under. Okay. Now C is in the sense of comparatively less. In the sense of comparatively less. Okay? In the sense of comparatively less. Now example, she is under 40. She is under 14. In this sentence, the preposition is under, and this sentence is comparatively less. So we use here under. Okay. Now D, to express the sense of continuous process. Example, the road is under repair. The road is under repair. In the sentence, the preposition is under, and and we use under to express the sense of continuous process. It means the road is continue repair, continue process, so we use here under. Okay, now E, to express the lower position, status or post. To express the lower position, status or post. Example, many people work under him. Many people work under him. In this sentence, preposition is under, and this sentence show to the under is we use under to express the lower position, status or post. So in this sentence, many people work under him. This sentence is show the lower position. This sentence is show the position, status or post. So we use here under. Okay, I repeat, I revise again. Use of under when something is inside the water. When something is inside the water. The pencil is under the water. The pencil is under the water. So this sentence show the inside the water. We use under. In the second topic is in the sense of comparatively less. When we use comparatively less, we use under. She is under 14. She is under 14. In the sentence, preposition is under, and we use under in the sense of comparatively less. Okay, so she is under 14. Now D is to express the sense of continuous process. It means to express the sense of continuous process, we use under. The road is under repair. The road is under repair. In the sentence, the preposition is under, and the road is continuous process. So we use here under. E is to express lower position, status or post. To express the lower position, status or post. Now example, many people work under him. This sentence show the lower position. This sentence show the position, status or post. So we use here under. Now next fourth topic is use of in. Use of in. Before the first topic is before the name of months, seasons, or years. Okay, use of in. When we use in before the name of months, seasons or years. We use in. Okay, example, I was born in 2010. I was born in 2010. In the sentence, the preposition is in. in April. He took exams in April. In is a preposition, and when we use in before the name of month, seasons or year. The April is a month, so we use here in. Is that clear? Now B, point is B, before places. Before places we use in. Example. First example is I was sitting in my room. I was sitting in my room. Okay? In this sentence, the preposition is in, and before places we use in. So, the place is my room, and before the places we use in. Okay? Now, second example is we live in India. We live in India. In this sentence, preposition is in, and India is a place. So we use in before the place. Okay. Now C is before morning, evening, and afternoon. We use in. Okay? Before morning, evening and afternoon we use in. Example. Meet me in the evening. Meet me in the evening. In is a preposition, and the evening is evening. It means the time. Morning, evening and afternoon. Time of day. Okay. So we use before, evening, morning and afternoon in. Now D is to express profession. To express profession. Example. He is in army. He is in army. In this sentence, preposition is in, and army is a profession. So we use here to express profession. We use here in. Okay. Now to express the means of transport. The means of transport. Example. I can hear in a car. This sentence, when we use in to express the means of transport, in this sentence I can hear in a car. In is a preposition and a car is a means of transport. Okay. This is a preposition, in is a preposition and a car is transport. Okay, and when we use in to express the means of transport, before we use a transport, before we use in. Okay, now this topic is complete. This is a part second of preposition. Part second. Okay, now our topic is complete. If you have any doubts in this video, in the preposition, please tell me in comment section. I will solve your problems in my next video. And if you like my video, please give it thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.